Okay, guys, this is my first help video for you guys, so hopefully you'll find that this is helpful. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do the first couple problems to make sure that you guys can understand how I got the answers that I got for the first six here, because we did all these guys in class. So I just want to make sure, because I know one or two periods I forgot to mention this, and I wasn't 100% sure that you guys had it, but right, that you would have meters, liters, and grams. Those are all the base units. So like this guy over here, meters. This guy, grams. Okay, this guy, meters. Right? And then so up here is liters. They all work the same way. The base unit doesn't matter. Okay, so with the first question we got here, so we're going from milligrams, which is this guy out here, okay, and we want to convert it to grams. So grams was one of these guys over here, so he's the base unit. Okay, so when we go this way, what we want to do is we want to move from this guy here, just a second, so, right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So it moves 3 spaces to the left. Okay, so meaning the decimal place is right there. Another one of those ones that implied decimal is at the end. The decimal is always at the end unless there's one inside the given problem. Okay, so 0.0, okay, 0.0, 1.0. Okay, so meaning we're going from milligrams to grams. That means we're moving 3 spaces to the right. So in this particular one, it would just be 1 gram, right? Because we moved all the way over to the side. 3 spaces, so all we have left is 1.0. Next one we're going to move over, we're going to go from liters. Okay, so I'll clear those guys. Okay, so now we're starting with liters. Okay, which is this guy, the base unit, and we're moving to milliliters. Okay, so those are smaller. Okay, so now we're moving in this direction. Right, so what we're going to need to do is we're moving 3 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3. And now that's going to be 1,000 would be the final end. 1,000 milligrams, mg. Okay, so you'd add the little comma. Okay, so we're moving 3 spaces to the right. Okay, so let me go ahead and clear that off there. So now we're done with that guy. We're done with that guy. Okay, and the next one, 160 centimeters. Okay, and then we're going from centimeters, which is this guy here, to millimeters, which is that guy right there. So we're moving 1 spot to the right. Okay, so the decimal would move 1 spot to the right. Okay, so now instead of being 160, now it's 1,600. That's supposed to be a 6, by the way. Okay, 1,600. I know that's very, very messy. So 1,600, all we're doing is adding a 0 at the end of that. Okay, so as we move 1 spot to the right, means we multiplied it by 10. Okay, if it's at the end, we can just add zeros. Okay, we're just saying that times 10. It's the same thing as moving the decimal. Okay, so now we've done that guy, we've done that guy, and we've done that guy. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this last one here. Okay, so 1,400 kilometers will now be converted to meters. Okay, kilo is way off to the side, so now to go from kilometers to meters, that's the base unit, so we're going to move 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. So we're just going to add 3 zeros. Okay, so for that particular one, okay, so what we're going to have really is 14,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 14,000. Okay. Because when we go to the right, we're just multiplying by, in this case, 1,000. Right? So that's that guy, that guy, that guy, and that guy. Okay, and last one, I won't belabor the point, but right, in this one, we're going from grams to kilograms. So we're moving from here, we're moving that way to kilograms. Okay, so basically, a gram is about the weight of a paperclip. Okay, so we're figuring out how many kilograms. Okay, so give you an idea. So now we're going from there to there. That's 3 spots to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3. So now we'll move, right, the implied decimal again, so really it's 109.0. Okay, so now we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So now the answer is 0.109. Okay, so that's all that we have left, is 0.109 kilograms. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Right, if you have any questions, you can text me. This is due on Monday. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.